Another day, another chance, another day. Because, so I'm just gonna be discussing all that you be discussing, in person about the quiz. So yeah, let's go. B A doubles the value because it's times parameter because parameters got the brackets, and then body's got the cursive brackets, and it's got these values. My parameter, so it's got that, so it just adds on to the adds on, to the body. A lambda expression, empty brackets returns 42 a value, and then that multiple callable operator. All of them can be used in Lambda. That I got that right. Wow. Transforms each element and turns new string. But thank goodness I got that. Thank goodness I got that. Take care. Have a nice day. Yeah. Uh, wait, okay.